I'm supposed to heal you. But I ain't got much feet.
Khadija! What is this? What is this? Why do you have to make so much noise? Can you see I'm working? Is this a place you're supposed to do whatever it is you're doing? And so?
Because I'm happy now alone. If you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy. Guess what?
What?
Yes! Okay, the Mogo finally.
Dead. Wow. It's so sad when people just die like that. Eh? You don't talk of death like that. You must give it little respect. City life have turned your individuality to total disrespect. Excuse me? What's disrespectful about talking of death? You're going to die. I am going to die. So what's the big deal?
That's a joke, right?
No! Is your mom going to Banjul too?
I tried to convince her, but she wouldn't come. Look, you're not lying to me about moving to Banjul.
No! Why would I lie to you? I'll be traveling to Banjul with Auntie Astu. She wants me to travel with her to Banjul and start a new life.
Gune gi ma yondi ko li kañ ba léegi mu si biti bayu ha ma bëgg naan lewal génn ba léegi mu ma dem fet kon façon gune la gune gi loolu moo tax moom école gi moom du fa dee def dara la du fa dee def xoje yow daal moom yow suba teel moom ras rek noo dee xëjee kanam gi moom ñaaw na de nit da nga jigéen da nga xala sa maay da nga gis sa kanam gi xala rafet yow foog ma ut ñaareel rek yow
gis nga nijaay yow bu la neexee nga ut ñeent nijaay man aw buur këram laa man dama sees ba pare
yow wala sonal rek aw moom daal soo ko bëggee yangal ne ko seet dem nga si école ba